Simple real-life money. Wins I use every day. The big myth: I used to believe that saving money meant spreadsheets, sacrifice, and giving up all the fun stuff. But here's the truth. Most of my biggest money wins came from easy, repeatable habits, not complexity. My breaking point: I was living paycheck to paycheck. Bills got paid, but the rest just vanished. I felt like I was failing at adulting. Budgeting apps overwhelmed me, and my money goals felt more like punishments. 3. The mindset shift that changed everything. Then it hit me. I didn't need big wins. I needed small, automatic ones. No more willpower, no more guilt. Just a system I could stick to without thinking about it. That's when everything started to change. Money win 1. Pay yourself first. I stopped saving what was left and started saving first. I set up an automatic transfer right after payday, straight to my savings account. No mental load, no temptation, just progress on autopilot. Money win 2. Replace takeout with a plan. That £10 lunch. It adds up fast. So now I meal prep on Sundays. Big batch meals, easy sandwiches, simple snacks. Tastes better, costs way less, and saves me over $1,500 a year. Money win 3. Homebrew coffee wins. I love coffee, but I love saving more. Instead of spending £4 every morning, I make strong, delicious coffee at home. One change, hundreds saved. And honestly, it's become part of my peaceful morning routine. Money win 4. Cancel culture, the good kind. Every 3 months, I do a subscription purge. I scan my accounts, spot sneaky charges, and ask, did I use this in the last 90 days? If not, it's gone. Instant savings with zero lifestyle loss. Money win 5. The 24-hour rule, online shopping, dangerous. So now I wait 24 hours before buying anything non-essential. That impulse fades, the dopamine wears off, and 9 times out of 10 I skip the purchase. Win-win. Money win 6. Say goodbye to the poor. Tax: being broke is expensive. Monthly payment plans, emergency purchases, they cost more. So now I plan ahead. I buy in bulk, pay bills annually when I can, and avoid all those extra convenience fees. 10. Money win 7. Negotiation is a superpower. Once a year, I call my internet, phone, and insurance providers. I ask for a better deal or a loyalty discount, and it works. Those few calls save me hundreds a year with almost zero effort. Money win 8. High-yield savings. Free money. I moved my savings into a high-yield account. Same money, just smarter placement. Now it earns passive interest every month, like a tiny raise for being financially organized. Money win 9. No spend days. 1 or 2 days a week, I challenge myself to spend nothing. No online orders, no snacks, no little purchases. It resets my habits and makes me way more intentional with my spending. Money win 10. Cashback and rewards stack. I use cashback apps and credit card points for stuff I'm already buying. Groceries, gas, essentials. They all earn a little something extra. Over time, that adds up to real rewards and savings. Money win 11. I fund my future, not just save. This might be the most powerful shift of all. I don't save anymore, I fund. My travel dreams, my peace of mind, my freedom. Every pound I put away is a gift to future me. That mindset changes everything. You don't need to be perfect with money, you just need a few wins you can repeat and keep building on. What's one small money win that works for you? Drop it in the comments. And if this helped, like and subscribe for more real-world finance tips that actually fit your life.